In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your requests and approvals in Asana. The goal is to streamline your workflows and maintain productivity by keeping everything organized in one central hub. To kick things off, start by creating a dedicated request project within Asana. Simply click on the plus new project option and choose blank project. Naming it requests and approvals or something similar will help you stay focused. You can choose between list view or board view based on your personal preference. Then add sections or columns such as new request, in progress, waiting for approval, and approved completed. This setup allows you to monitor the progress of requests seamlessly and ensures everything is tracked efficiently. Next, we'll collect requests using forms. Within your newly created request project, go to Customize and then Add Form. Include fields like request type, description or details, attachments such as logos or docs, and a due date if necessary. This enables team members or clients to provide comprehensive information from the get-go. Don't forget to share the form link with those who will be submitting requests. Once a form is completed and submitted, it automatically turns into a new task in your project, enabling you to keep track without any added hassle. Once requests are in the system, assigning and prioritizing them is key. Assign tasks to the appropriate teammates who will be responsible for execution. To ensure clarity around task importance, utilize custom fields to label tasks with priority levels such as high, medium, or low, along with specifying departments and status updates. By switching over to calendar or timeline view, you can efficiently manage workloads and deadlines, ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. Managing approvals within Asana is a straightforward process. Open the task that requires approval and click on Add Approval. Assign it to a manager or client who needs to review it. They have the option to either approve, request changes, or reject the task. Once approved, the task status is automatically updated, eliminating lengthy back and forth email exchanges and keeping the communication clear and concise. To optimize your workflow, it's beneficial to automate processes using rules. You can set up rules that notify approvers when a task moves to waiting for approval, automatically shift tasks to completed once approved, or send them back to the original requester if they are rejected. Finally, tracking and reporting on requests can be immensely helpful in identifying trends and improving upon current workflows. Dashboards allow you to visualize various metrics such as the number of requests by type, approval turnaround times, and the percentage of requests approved versus rejected. This data will help you pinpoint bottlenecks and enhance overall efficiency. By implementing these steps, you'll be well on your way to managing requests and approvals in Asana effectively, keeping you and your team organized and productive.